Okay, this video is to show you how to assemble a roller view. Okay, first I will insert the roller base. Okay, after insert, make sure you click OK. Okay, then you can start rotate your models. I will insert the bracket. I will insert the one bracket first. Okay, then rotate your bracket. Rotate your bracket. Okay, the bracket should be like this. Okay, then you can start to align the hole. Select the screw hole. Select first screw hole, you will form concentric. Select second screw hole, so both screw hole is aligned. So this face, after it's made, it should be form coincident with this face. Done. Okay, then second components, I will insert the bushing. Okay, I will select the bush. Okay, then let me insert the shaft. Okay, the shaft here should be attached here. If you completely move in, it should meet here and here, coincident. Now the bush. Okay, the bush here and here. Okay, let me select again here and here should be form coincident. Okay, then let me insert the view. Okay, the roller. Okay, insert the roller. Okay, then the roller should attach with the bushing. Okay, that's it. We just leave it like this because later on we're going to use a width mate. Okay, and we need to complete this part here. Okay, why I not complete this part by adding the components? Because I want to show you actually we can use mirror components features to mirror it. Okay, the first thing we need to find the plane that exactly stay at middle of the base. Okay, from here you will see the right plane is exactly at the middle. Let me show the right plane. So see, your right plane is staying at the middle of the base. Okay, so from here we can use a mirror component. The mirror plane, I'm going to select the right plane, seeing the right plane at the middle. So component to mirror this, the bracket we're going to mirror, and the bush we're going to mirror. So we have only two components to mirror. Okay, then you click confirm. So we have done mirror. Okay, from here, now your bush is keep moving. Okay, if you check from the view here, the bush actually stay at the middle between these two brackets. So what we can do, we can use advanced mate. You can use a width mate. Okay, so first the width selection, I will select the face at the bracket here and here as the reference, and then the tab selection is the face that you want them to stay in between these two width reference. I will select this face and this face. Okay, now I have done, you complete, confirm. Okay, now your roller is stay at the middle, so you see it won't move anymore. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can use a two-spot component. For the two-spot component, you can find under design library. You click on two-spot component. First time you use, you need to add in now. Okay, then if you check your exercise questions, the standard we use is ISO. So under here, we need to find boat. Okay, so what kind of boat we use? So we're going to use a hex flanks. So we need to find, we're going to use this one, hex flanks, boat ISO 4160. Okay, so for insert, let me select previous one. We're going to use this boat with the length of 20. Okay, so to insert the two spoke component, first you need to drag the screw you want. Okay, first you point in the hole. You see it will pop out the symbol like this, mean it will detect the size. Then you point here, it will form coincidence made with the face. Okay, then you choose the length. You can see here the size is M6, is the size for the screw hole. So the length here we need is 20. Okay, then confirm. Okay, then after you use, you say this one with the size 20, you can plug in here. You say you just point on here, it will automatically attach the screw. Okay, so the other one, we need a countersink flat. We need a countersink screw. Okay, where we can find a countersink screw. Yeah, so we need a countersink screw 7046, this one. Same also. You just drag one of the screw, you point on the hole first, then you point on the face that you want to form coincident, then you will move in. See, the size is M5, you automatically detect. The length we need is 25. Then we confirm. After confirm the same size of screw, it will be like this. You just point on the hole, click, you will place the screw. You point on the face here, you click, it will plug in the screw. You point on here, click, it will plug in. Then if you want to discontinue, just press close. So the model of your roller view is complete.